different heart, different gift, one life flowing through us all. To bring different colors, different voices, different ways to sing. And when we stop competing and remember why we came, the world becomes a garden where every gift has